this is actually my first video, but yeah, wait, we're gonna be playing bird.png. Bird.png. Let's go. Was days I had some new skins. Okay. Wait, I have anatized skins. I didn't know. But yes. Here we are. Let's spectate. And, oh, Baberdonk. Oh, Baberdonk. The environment. But that's the yeah. Is there anyone? Oh, orange offices. Traditional game of bear. It's just like Modern Manus's his thing, whatever. Let's go. Wait! I don't want to die, please, 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 please. I don't want to die. No! I died. That's creepy. Art timeout. Please try again. That's scary. Isn't that the jump scare for the Chosen? Do I even have the Chosen? Loomis is expensive. I bought it. Carbuncle. Got Anatias. This skin is weird. I just got it from a random a game. It's hard to get though. It's a game called Cutscene. Cutscene engine test. And then... Wait, no, I'm not even supposed to be telling secrets in this game. I'll show you. I can't tell you. Plus, I'm gonna blur out the answers as I do them. I'm not really. This one. Why? I wanted that one. Wait, teleport me. There's a glitchy parts in there. The taco, I see. Scoobus is taco. Scoobus. Don't kill me, please. I wanted to just take it. I want to give him his taco. Leave me alone. Bird, please. I'll do and I don't want to go near the wall anymore. I'll get killed. Can I go in the vent? Oh, it's kind of dark in there. I won't be able to see because of the taco in my face. Oh, okay. I see the flashlight. No! It stopped! I wonder where Angel is. Angel, I found the screen recorder you have. Somewhere I found it. Because I got it accidentally, not on purpose. I want to do FNAF's moment again. I want to do Big Bird. Big Bird. FNAF moment. If we do all the puzzles, there's a... What is it called? A puzzle?
No, it's for you.
I mean, if we do all the puzzles, there's this a little character on the stage that plays a song of FNAF. He plays a song of it. And it's epic, bro. I spectated a guy before and it happened. It worked. Every puzzle was complete. I want to do Ronald's boss fight, so you gotta go in the girls' restroom, it's kind of familiar because mostly boys play it. I'm gonna copy the code. Okay. WHYI36Y. Okay, that I think I can remember that. I6. Okay, I6. Is it 16? But I think I'm gonna try 16. That looks like a 1. 1-6. 1-6 or I6. I don't know. Let's go. I see the bird.
My mommy give me my phone.
I see the bird.
I don't have a phone.
She does have a phone. She got a phone.
My mommy give it.
Let's go. I'm gonna do the code anyway. Let's do the code. Sawyer G maybe did it. He knows how to do those codes anyway. Did he do it? Go. Did he do it? I don't hear music. I'd hear music if he did it. So it was this. W H Y 1 6 1 6 W H Y. Did I do it? W H. No. Clear. W H Y. This is it. I 6. Don't 1 6 W H.
I'm trading something better.
I don't want your dang Barbie.
No thanks. I don't want a stupid buffalo.
And I'm in the middle of a damn video. Wait. Why? Enter. D. Oh God, please. I hope Bird doesn't find me. W H Y I 6. No, I did it. But I completed it at least. It's a good thing. I'm telling you.
What?
He's making videos without shirt on.
Put this in the back porch.
This is my thing.
Okay, put this on the back porch for me. Put that in your pocket.
Yeah, okay. Sorry, people. I'm sorry, guys. I came out here because my sister. Oh, we're going viral. That's it. Or whatever.
Well, what if you guys cut my foot too?
How?
Sorry about that. Remember. Get out of my face, kid. That's it for this video, guys.